Are you ready to uncover hidden treasures in 2025? In today's video, we're exploring the best metal detectors of the year. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, we've got you covered with top picks that offer the best in performance, depth, and accuracy. From advanced features for serious treasure hunters to user-friendly models, these detectors are designed to help you find your next big discovery. You can find pricing information for each product in the description below. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Garrett Ace 400. The Garrett Ace 400 is a powerful and versatile metal detector designed for both beginners and experienced treasure hunters. It features a high-frequency 10 kHz operating frequency, making it highly sensitive to a wide range of targets, including gold, silver, and coins. The device comes with a digital target ID system that ranges from 0 to 99, allowing users to accurately identify buried objects. Its iron audio feature lets you distinguish between ferrous and non-ferrous metals, reducing the chances of digging up unwanted items. The Ace 400 also includes a large 8.5 by 11-inch Performance DD search coil, which provides excellent ground coverage and depth detection. With 5 search modes, 0 disc, jewelry, custom, relics, and coins, this detector adapts to various hunting scenarios, whether you're searching in parks, beaches, or forests. The adjustable frequency feature helps minimize interference from other detectors, making it ideal for group hunts. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during long sessions, and the backlit display makes it easy to use in low-light conditions. The Garrett Ace 400 is perfect for those who want a reliable feature-packed detector without breaking the bank. Number 4. Minelab Equinox 900. The Minelab Equinox 900 is a premium multi-frequency metal detector that offers exceptional performance for serious detectorists. It operates on multiple frequencies simultaneously, ranging from 4 kHz to 40 kHz, ensuring optimal detection of all types of metals, including small gold nuggets and deep relics. The device features a waterproof design, allowing you to search in shallow water up to 16 feet deep. Its advanced target ID system provides precise identification of buried objects, while the iron bias control helps filter out unwanted iron signals. The Equinox 900 comes with a large 11-inch by 13-inch double D coil, offering excellent depth and sensitivity. With 6 search modes, park, field, beach, gold, custom, and all-terrain, this detector is versatile enough for any environment. The wireless audio capability and Bluetooth connectivity make it easy to pair with compatible headphones for a seamless experience. The rechargeable battery provides up to 12 hours of operation, ensuring you can hunt all day without interruption. Whether you're searching for coins, jewelry, or gold, the Minelab Equinox 900 delivers unmatched performance and reliability. Number 3. Nocta the Legend. The Nocta. The Legend is a high-performance metal detector that combines advanced technology with user-friendly features. It operates on multiple frequencies, ranging from 4 kHz to 40 kHz, making it highly versatile for detecting various types of metals. The device features a waterproof design, allowing you to search in water up to 10 feet deep. Its advanced ground balancing system ensures stable performance in highly mineralized soils, while the iron filter feature helps eliminate false signals from unwanted targets. The Legend comes with an 11-inch by 13-inch DD search coil, providing excellent depth and coverage. With 6 search modes, park, field, beach, gold, deep, and custom, this detector is suitable for a wide range of hunting scenarios. The wireless audio system and Bluetooth connectivity make it easy to use with compatible headphones. The rechargeable battery offers up to 16 hours of operation, making it ideal for long hunts. The Nocta the Legend is perfect for detectorists who want a powerful and reliable device at an affordable price. Number 2. XP Deus 2. The XP Deus 2 is a top-of-the-line metal detector that offers cutting-edge technology and unparalleled performance. It operates on multiple frequencies simultaneously, ranging from 4 kHz to 40 kHz, ensuring optimal detection of all types of metals. The device features a fully wireless design, making it lightweight and easy to use. Its advanced ground balancing system ensures stable performance in highly mineralized soils, while the iron volume feature allows you to hear iron signals signals at a reduced volume. The Deus 2 comes with an 11-inch by 13-inch DD search coil, providing excellent depth and sensitivity, with 9 search modes: general, deep, sensitive, beach, goldfield, relic, pitch, custom, and fast. This detector is versatile enough for any environment. The rechargeable battery offers up to 20 hours of operation, ensuring you can hunt all day without interruption. The XP Deus 2 is perfect for serious detectorists who demand the best in performance and technology. Number 1. Minelab Manticore. The Minelab Manticore is a revolutionary metal detector that sets a new standard in the industry. It features advanced multi-IQ Plus technology, which operates on multiple frequencies simultaneously, ensuring optimal detection of all types of metals. The device offers a high-resolution target ID system, providing precise identification of buried objects. Its 2D target trace feature allows you to visualize the shape and size of targets, making it easier to determine their identity. The Manticore comes with a large 11 by 13-inch double D coil, offering excellent depth and sensitivity, with 6 search modes: all-terrain, beach, gold, relic, coin, and custom. This detector is versatile enough for any environment. The waterproof design allows you to search in shallow water up to 16 feet deep. The rechargeable battery provides up to 12 hours of operation, ensuring you can hunt all day without interruption. The Minelab Manticore is perfect for detectorists who want the ultimate in performance and technology.